So with the help of the tool of box, I have created a box with the dimensions around. So when I'm trying to increase, this is your wall thickness. Where can we adjust your wall thickness? In length. And right, it depends upon the direction. So when you're trying to increase length, the wall thickness is getting changed. So it depends upon how you create the box. See here, I'm creating one more box towards this side. So I'm assuming this as my wall thickness. And
Okay.
you have created wall this side, this I'm assuming as a wall thickness. Wall thickness should be 6 inches.
Yeah.
Okay. So here what happens is the dimension will get deferred. How it will get deferred is, for this wall, I'm changing length as 6 inches. It means wall thickness is nothing but length. For this wall, now x-axis you have to adjust. It means you have to adjust what? Width. So in width you have to provide 6 inches. Understand? So it
Yeah.
depends upon the direction how you create the wall. It is not mandatory that you have to change only length or you have to change only width. It depends upon the direction of the wall how you are creating. So when you are creating towards the front face, length is getting changed. When you are trying to create the wall towards facing towards left face, width has to be changed. Understand? When length should be changed and when width should be changed, it depends upon the creation of your wall. Remember the direction, because I can't just tell you when to provide wall thickness every time. It depends upon how
Yeah.
your wall facing is, that you have to decide. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So let's say I'll take only one single wall. All these just no. Let us go with the wall. I have a wall thickness which is with length 6 inches. Uh, or else I will take 9 inches wall thickness. Let's say I'm taking my wall thickness as 9 inches and 15 feet. Okay. So the width is nothing but length here. When you're trying to increase the x-axis, width is getting changed. So you have to change the width. 15 inches, 15 feet wall, and height of the wall will be 10 feet. So normally, what is the height of the room? 10 feet, right? So
Yeah.
write it down. Height of the wall should be 10 feet. I mean, width of the wall should be, I've taken around 15 feet. And what is the wall thickness I've taken?
9 inch.
9 inches.
9 inches. Right,
9.
perfect. So note it down, because once I complete this, you have to create again. Okay. So the total width is 15 feet and the height is 10 feet and the wall thickness is 9 inches. Now, what shall we do is, so to place a door inside this wall and to place a window, what we have to do, we have to make holes. I want to place a door here and I want to place a window here. Let's say I want to take two windows. Okay. So to place a door, a window and one more window, what we have to do, we have to make holes, right? So without making a hole inside this wall, can you place a door, window or ventilator or anything else?
No.
So what we have to do is we have to make holes inside this with the help of the tool called as probe.
Probability.
So in Probulin, which is the operation we have to take to make holes?
Subtract.
Subtract is a operation, because to make holes, subtract is the only option, because in intersection only the outer part completely will get deleted. Union is nothing but combining two solids to become a single solid, and subtract is the tool which is used to make hole inside this box. Now let's say, so what you have to do, you have to make a hole inside this. So you have to place one more solid object, so that I am creating a box here. Let's say length should be more than your wall thickness. Whatever the wall thickness you have, it should be more than that, because it should be shown as a complete hole. It should be a through hole. Through hole is nothing.
Yeah.
Whatever the object you're cutting in the front, the same should be cutted at the back side also. That is called as a through hole. And what should be the length of the door? 3 feet, and height of the door will be 7 feet. Length of the door, nothing but write it down. As we have taken wall is nothing but 15 feet, height is 10 feet, and wall thickness 9 inches. Here, the thickness of the door should be more than your wall, because it will be completely deleted. This object will get deleted from the main wall. So anyhow, you can take your wall thickness more than your, you can take the thickness of your door more than your wall thickness. So take more than your wall thickness, and the length of the door should be 3 feet.
3 feet.
And the height of the door should be how much? 7 feet. This is the
7.
standard dimensions. These are the standard dimensions which I'm providing you right now. So whenever you construct any model, it is mandatory that you have to choose these dimensions every time.
What is the width here? 4.
Width should be more than your wall thickness. You can take your own wish. You can take any dimension, but
Yeah,
it should be
okay.
more than your wall thickness. What is the wall thickness which you have given? 9 inches, right?
Yes.
Wall thickness
More than 9
is
inches.
more than 1 feet, or maybe 2 feet or 3 feet. Roughly, I've taken some thickness. So it is not mandatory you should have this much only, because anyhow the box will get deleted. Okay. So these are some standard dimensions. Okay. Remember these dimensions. So what should be the length of the door? The length of the door should be 3 feet.
3 by 7. Yeah.
3 by 7, and wall thickness, it's not mandatory, because anyhow you'll make a hole inside that. Now let's say switch on snap and select the exact endpoint and fix it at this point. What I've done, I've switched on the snap option, I've dragged it to some point and fixed it at this endpoint, and switch off your snap now. Switch off your snap. So you can drag your y-axis, because anyhow you are making a hole inside this. So whenever you place a door inside wall thickness, there will be a gap at the corners. Let's say I'll take one more wall, copy, rotation E, angle snap A, 90 degrees for angle snap. Let us rotate this. See, when you have a wall like this, when you have a cross wall like this, okay, so do we leave a distance gap here to place a door at the
Yes,
corner?
sir. Yes.
So from the corner of the wall, you have to leave some distance gap. So what I'm doing is, from the corner, I want to leave a distance gap of 1 feet. So now what I want to do is, from this corner, I want to leave a distance gap. How much? 1 feet. So this box should be moved towards 1 feet. In which direction we have to move for exactly 1 feet?
X.
X direction. To move the object exactly using some particular dimension, what you have to do, you have to make a right click on the move toggle. Do you remember? Right click on the
Yes,
move
sir.
toggle and you are moving in X direction, right? So go to
Yeah.
the axis in offset world and provide 1 feet enter because you are moving in positive X direction. So directly go 1 feet from where the object is located. From there it has been moved to 1 feet. Clear? So this wall I've copied this wall and I've rotated and I've fixed it here. If you get confused, you can delete it because only to understand why we are leaving the gap at the corner, I've taken one more wall towards that side and we have to leave a distance gap of 1 feet. And let's say I'm taking one more box. I'm copying one more box for a window. Let's say the window width should be 4 feet and the height should be 4 feet. Write it down. The window width and height should be 4 by 4 feet. And the window, whenever you place a window, it should be equal to the height of your door. What I've done, I've taken snap, click the endpoint, fix it at this particular endpoint and drag it. Switch off the snap. So when you need snap, switch on the snap, use the base points, fix it to that point. And then if you don't need, switch it off and move it normally. And I'm copying one more. Now what I've done, I've placed 3 boxes to make holes inside this main wall. I've placed 3 boxes inside this main wall to make holes. So now what you do is to provide propylene, select the main wall. Select the main wall because the main wall will be remained on the screen. It will not get deleted. Inside that, these boxes will get deleted to make holes. So select the main wall. What you have to do, go to create, geometry, go to compound objects and choose the option called as propylene. And in propylene, you will find an option called as subtraction. Select subtraction and select start picking. And after selecting start picking, you can select the door first, window next, again one more window. Automatically you'll be getting the, so at a time I have deleted 3 objects and press W if the work is completed. Now inside this you have
Sir, ఇక్కడ మీరు విండో హైట్ డోర్ హైట్ సేమ్ ఉండాలి అన్నారా?
Same ఉండాలి.
సంథింగ్ యూ మీరు చెప్పారు.
window height
హైట్ విడ్త్ సారీ వినిపించట్లేదు.
చూడండి, what is the height of the door?
Height of the door is
7 feet.
7 feet.
What should be the height of the window? 4 feet.
4 feet.
Length of the window 4 feet. And from the base,
Okay.
you have to leave a distance gap of 3 feet. So నేనేం చేస్తాను, ఈ distance gap 3 feet వదలకుండా ఆ బాక్స్ ని డైరెక్ట్ గా స్నాప్ యూజ్ చేసి ఇక్కడ ఎండ్ పాయింట్ కి ఫిక్స్ చేసి దాన్ని మూవ్ చేశాను.
Okay.
ఓకే, సో 3 + 4 is 7 కాబట్టి కింద నుంచి 3 feet, height of the window is 4 feet. So the window
Okay.
height and the door height should be equal.
Okay.
Okay, done. Is that clear? Any doubts how to make it done? So here what happens is, where do you find doors? In create, in geometry, you go to the option called as standard primitives, extend primitives, compound objects, the same you will find the option called as doors. And we have 3 types of doors. One is pivot door, that is a normal opening. Sliding door, that is a sliding doors like which is used nearby to your sit out areas. Bifold doors, where you will find 4 doors and the doors will get folded. Let us go with a normal door. So once you create a door, if you see from the top view and if you see from the front view, so the length of the door, should be 3 feet. Provided thickness of the door as 4 inches and the height of the door should be how much?
7 feet.
7 feet.
7 feet.
Now what you do is, click a starting point, hold your mouse and drag the mouse for the total length of the door. Click a starting point, drag the mouse till the other end point for providing the total length approximately and provide how much thickness you need and then provide height. First what you do, click a starting point, drag the mouse for that length, then provide Wall thickness, move your mouse, click it at the other point, and then provide height. Let's see. Click a starting point and drag the total length. First drag the total length, approximately release the mouse and provide how much width. Don't drag it like this. Provide thickness of the door very lesser, click it, and then provide how much height you need and then click it. Now go to modify.
సార్ మీరు హైట్ లెంత్ ఎక్కడ ఇచ్చారు ఇప్పుడు డ్రాగ్ చేసినప్పుడు?
డ్రాగ్ చేసి మౌస్ మూవ్ చేస్తాను, ఇంకా డైమెన్షన్స్ ఇవ్వలేదు నేను.
ఓకే.
సో ఫస్ట్ మీరు ఏం చేస్తారంటే ఒక డోర్ తీసుకోండి, ఒక స్టార్టింగ్ పాయింట్ క్లిక్ చేసి హోల్డ్ చేసి డ్రాగ్ చేయండి టోటల్ లెంత్. డ్రాగ్ ద టోటల్ లెంత్, రిలీజ్ ద మౌస్, width approximately, click it, then move your mouse upwards, click it. But I didn't give any dimensions for the door, just roughly approximately how the door should be. I've given some point like this. Now go to modify. Go to modify and provide the dimensions. Height of the door is 7 feet. Width of the door is 3 feet. Wall thickness is 4 inches.
4 inches.
So these dimensions include only door. Here in door you will find this is frame, the outer frame. We call it as chowkat. And this is your door inside.
Door.
We have frame as well as we also have door. We have both the options here. And the dimension 7 feet will not include from this point till this point. It includes only the door dimension, 7 feet.
Okay.
So the 7 feet is including only the height of the door, and the width is including only the width of the door without including frame. These dimensions are without including the frame. Frame is extra dimension again. Remember this option. Okay. Now we have provided dimension. Let us open the door first. Open the door. Now, if you see here,
Hey, not here.
so from here to here, the height of the door is 7 feet, but not including your frame. Understand? From here to here, inside to inside.
సార్ ఎలా ఓపెన్ చేశారు? డోర్ ఎలా ఓపెన్ చేశారు?
ఇక్కడ మీకు మోడిఫికేషన్స్ లో ఉంటాయి మేడం. మీరు డోర్ క్రియేట్ చేయగానే మోడిఫై లోకి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ హైట్, విడ్త్, డెప్త్ ఇచ్చాం కదా ఇక్కడ. మీరు ఏదైతే క్రియేట్ చేస్తారో క్రియేట్ చేసిన ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ని సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తే మోడిఫై లో ఆప్షన్స్ వస్తాయి. In that modify you will find how much height and how much width and how much depth you need, and here you will find open option.
Okay.
This is your door opening.
33 degrees, yeah.
Total 180 ఉంటుంది అంతే, 0 to 180.
Okay.
So as I've told you, this dimensions includes only inside to inside, not including frame. Now if you need double doors, you can choose double doors and you can open the doors like this.
So by moving the cursor, the door is opening.
No, you just click this.
Achha, open is open.
Decrease.
ये जो open है ना, you find this
Yeah,
open,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
Click this arrow, move your mouse up and down.
Okay, okay.
ఇప్పుడు డబుల్ ఫ్రేమ్ ఎలా చేశారు సార్? క్రియేట్ ఫ్రేమా? అదర్
ఇక్కడ ఉంది మేడం, ఇక్కడ చూడండి డబుల్ డోర్స్ అని ఇక్కడ ఉంది ఆప్షన్.
ఓకే, డబుల్ డోర్స్. ఓకే, ఓకే.
ఇక్కడ ఆప్షన్స్ చూడండి క్లియర్ గా. One is double doors. If you switch it off, you will get only single door. If you switch it on, you will be getting double doors.
Okay. Flip swing.
See, it's very simple. First create the door, go to modify, you will understand what all the options are provided here. Height, width, depth. అది మీరు ట్రై చేస్తే మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. So here you will find double doors. If you don't need double doors, you can choose only one single door. And again you have flip swing. Flip swing is nothing but here you are able to close and you're able to open only inside, but not outside, right? You're not able to open it outside. If you want to open the door outside, you have to choose flip swing so that you can open
Flip.
outside
Okay,
in the
flip
reverse
by flips.
direction.
Okay.
Again, flip swing inside. Hinges is nothing but joints. So when you're trying to open, it is opening
Okay.
towards left hand side. If you want to open towards right hand side, choose flip hinge, and then it will get opened in this direction.
Next speaker.
Hinges is nothing but where the door and the frame are fixing at the corner with the joints is called as hinges. So towards that side or this side, left hand side you want to open or towards right hand side. It depends upon your requirement.
మీరు ఎక్కడ మార్చుతున్నారు?
ఇక్కడ
Left
ఆప్షన్స్
side and
ఉన్నాయి
right
చూడండి
side,
మేడం.
okay,
మీరు
mouse ని
మీరు మోడిఫై ని చూడండి, డోర్ ని చూడకండి. అక్కడ మోడిఫై ని చూడండి. ఇక్కడ మోడిఫై లో ఆప్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఆప్షన్స్ మీరు చూస్ చేస్తే మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. ఫ్లిప్ హింజ్, ఫ్లిప్ స్వింగ్, బయటికా లోపలికా, ఫ్లిప్ హింజ్, లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ ఆర్ రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్, డబుల్ డోర్స్, యూ నీడ్ డబుల్ డోర్స్ ఆర్ సింగిల్ డోర్ in modifications. Okay, so these are your options of choosing double doors, flip swing and flip hinges, and these are the dimensions of the door, not including the frame.
Okay.
Excluding frame, you get these dimensions, that is 7 feet, 3 feet and 4 feet.
Yes, sir.
4 inches.
Here, and coming to the next option, this is how we open the door by clicking this arrow and drag upwards or downwards. When you drag downwards, the door will get closed. When you drag upwards, the door will get opened. And coming to the next option, these are the dimensions of the frame. These are the dimensions of the frame. So these are the dimensions of the door, and these are the dimensions of the frame. This frame.
ఇక్కడ ఫ్రేమ్ కి మనం ఇవ్వక్కర్లేదా సార్? ఆటోమేటిక్ వచ్చేస్తుందా?
అర్థం కాలేదు మీరు ఏమన్నారు? ఫ్రేమ్ కి
అకార్డింగ్ టు డోర్ మనం దీన్ని మోడిఫై చేయాలా, లేకపోతే డోర్ ది మోడిఫై చేసినప్పుడు డిఫాల్ట్ గా ఫ్రేమ్ ది ఆటోమేటిక్ గా మారిపోయి వస్తాయా?
మీరు డోర్ క్రియేట్ చేయగానే డైమెన్షన్స్ ఆఫ్ ద
మాన్యువల్ గా ఫ్రేమ్ ది కూడా
డిఫాల్ట్ గా
డెప్త్ అది
చూడండి. డిఫాల్ట్ గా డోర్ డైమెన్షన్స్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఫ్రేమ్ ఆటోమేటికల్ గా దాంతో పాటు అడ్జస్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఎలా అడ్జస్ట్ అవుతుంది? ఫ్రేమ్ లో వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చేసింది డిఫాల్ట్ డైమెన్షన్స్ ఏంటి? 2 inches 1 inch, 2 inches డెప్త్ విడ్త్, 2 inches డెప్త్. ఇక్కడ చేంజెస్ చూస్తే చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. ఫ్రేమ్ కూడా విడ్త్ ఎంత కావాలి, డెప్త్ ఎంత కావాలి, మీరు చేంజెస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. అక్కడ చేంజెస్ చేస్తే మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. సో ఇక్కడ చేంజెస్ చేయొచ్చు మాన్యువల్ గా. లేదు అంటే ఇక్కడ ఇది వచ్చేసి డోర్ డైమెన్షన్స్ మేడం, ఇది వచ్చేసి ఫ్రేమ్ డైమెన్షన్స్. సో డోర్ క్రియేట్ చేయగానే డిఫాల్ట్ ఫ్రేమ్ సైజ్ ఏది ఉంటే అదే వస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఫ్రేమ్ సైజ్ చేంజ్ చేశాను కదా, నెక్స్ట్ టైం ఇదే ఫ్రేమ్ సైజ్ తోనే నెక్స్ట్ డోర్స్ క్రియేట్ అవుతుంది.
ఓకే
ఓకే, క్లియర్? And coming to leaf parameters, leaf parameters is all about, let us switch off this frame. Let us switch off this frame. So what I'm doing is to switch it off. I'll just switch it off. There is no frame. Leaf parameters is nothing but modifications of these panels. These panels. Door మీద ఉన్న panels, whatever the panel you find it on the door, to modify these panels, that is the modifications of the, these are the modifications of the leaf parameters. Now what shall we do?
Okay.
What should be the thickness of the panel? You can see the changes here. When you increase thickness, you will find thickness. Side top rails. S tiles is nothing but side tiles and top rail. These three will get offsetted inside or outside. How much width you need?
Okay.
Only bottom rail again separately. Bottom rail, when you increase, it will become a office door. When you decrease, it will become a normal door. how many number of horizontal panels you need and how many number of vertical panels you need. And then in panels here, in panels you have none, glass, beveled. When I choose none, it's a plain door. When I choose glass, it is like a frame. When I choose beveled, it will become like this type of a door. See, these options, you people have to try it and then you have to understand how you are able to change it. What all the things are getting changed. You have to change it. This is about the door modifications on the door frame. Sorry, door panel. Frame is different. What is frame? Frame is nothing but chowkat. What you're getting extra apart from door.
Yeah.
Clear? So the modifications, whatever you have, the same will be. All these things will be same for the other doors also. Go to create. Go to the option called as create. And in this, you will find an option called as sliding. Click a starting point. First, total length, how much width you need and how much height you need.
Shade అవ్వట్లేదు. Yeah.
So let us go with the next option, sliding door. All the modifications will be same. You people have to try it because we can't just discuss every single topic because all these modifications are same as we have done it in the previous door. Just we'll see how the door will get opened. Let us drag the total length, take a very little width and provide how much height you need. Go to modify, see the opening. This is your sliding door. Flip front to back. Back side it will get opened. Flip side in the reverse direction, it is getting opened in the right hand side. What should be the height of the door? 7 feet, width is like 6 feet, depth is like 4 inches. And Baki sab, you try to do it, then you'll understand. Then coming to bifold, bifold is like 4 doors you need to have. You have only 2 doors here. Go to modify and choose double doors. You'll get 4 doors and see the opening. This is how it will get opened. This is bifold doors. And the other modifications you people have to try it. So in create geometry, these are the 3 types of doors which you have, and the same go to windows, same modifications will be provided. Let us take a casement window first. Length, same like door only you have to create, width and height. Go to modify. What is the height of the door? 4 feet. Width of the door is 4 feet. Depth is 4 inches. And frame dimension. These are the frame dimensions. What should be the horizontal frame? What should be the vertical frame? What should be a thickness? Thickness of the frame. Thickness is nothing but this will get increased. So this is the portion which is getting increased with thickness when you increase thickness here. Horizontal width is nothing but this will get increased. Vertical width is nothing but this will get increased and decreased.
ఇది కూడా ఫిక్స్డ్ గా ఇంతే ఉండాలని ఉందా సార్ ఫ్రేమ్ లైక్ 4x4
అప్రాక్సిమేట్లీ తీసుకోండి అప్రాక్సిమేట్ గా 2 ఇంచెస్ అలా తీసుకోండి 2 ఇంచెస్ బై 2 ఇంచెస్ glazing ante madhyalo glass thickness, and when you take 2 panels and see how the opening is. So like this, we have different types of windows. Let's say A-wing window. This is a different type of window again. There'll be different types of openings. Go to modify. I've taken number of panels as like 3 panels and open. Let's see here. This is how we get opening for this. And let's say sliding window length, width, height. And here dimensions you have to change it. Go to opening. This is how it is getting opened, sliding. When you switch off hung, you'll get open like this. So what you people do is try to create all the windows and see how the modifications are and how the openings are. Is that clear?